So, whether you're tackling sand dunes or just navigating a Cairo downpour, you'll be sure-footed and in control. The Altima is built to handle a variety of terrains and weather conditions, making it a versatile choice for any driver. Inside, the Altima offers a driver-centric cockpit that puts everything within easy reach. The intuitive design ensures that you can focus on the road while still having access to all the controls you need. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a large touchscreen display that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stay connected and entertained, no matter where your journey takes you. Comfort is also a priority in the Altima. The seats are designed to provide excellent support, even on long drives. High-quality materials and attention to detail make the interior a pleasant place to be. And let's not forget the Altima's sleek design. With its bold lines and aggressive stance, this car is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The LED headlights not only look great but also provide excellent visibility at night. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring the great outdoors, the Nissan Altima is a car that delivers on all fronts. It's a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and style. So if you're looking for a car that can do it all, look no further than the Nissan Altima. It's ready to take you on your next adventure, wherever that may be. Section 4. Feature Packed. What comes standard in the 2024 Altima? The 2024 Nissan Altima is designed to impress from the moment you lay eyes on it. With its sleek lines and modern design, it's a head-turner on any road. But what really sets it apart is what you find when you step inside. Now let's step inside, shall we? The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a cabin that's both inviting and functional. The Altima's cabin is a comfortable and well-equipped place to be, even if it's not quite as plush as a pharaoh's tomb. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort, whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip. The materials used in the interior are of high quality, giving you a sense of luxury without the hefty price tag. You get all the essentials as standard, like a 7-inch touchscreen Bluetooth and a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to control all your settings. The touchscreen is responsive and intuitive, allowing you to navigate through menus with ease. And let's not forget the sound system. It's more than just decent. It's designed to deliver crisp and clear audio, making your favorite tunes sound even better. Whether you're a fan of classical music or the latest pop hits, the Altima's sound system will not disappoint.